For this particular exam, they have also included the case studies, and that particular case study is HipLocal. If you look at the syllabus, so this is your syllabus for cloud developer, and if you go view outline, you can find this HipLocal case study. Okay, there will be questions asked based on what it is there in the case study and how you will solution it or how you will develop application for this particular case study. So let's go ahead and get some overview. We are not going to dig in details of what that solution will be, but we are going to just get an understanding about the case study in this lecture. So the case study is HipLocal. What it says is the company overview. HipLocal is a community application designed to facilitate communication between people in close proximity. So it's a community, you can think of community applications, and it is communication between your communities. You can think of, if you are in say US, there are different communities out there, and you need to have some means of communication between those people who live in the community, and that will definitely use for say event planning, organizing sports event, for business to connect their local communities. So all of that, you can think of, this will connect the communities to other communities, connect the people inside the communities, and business also will go ahead and talk to them or use that particular application. So that is the whole the use of this particular application. If you are in say other part of the world, then definitely there are societies and definitely and events that are happening, and you can think of this use case can be applicable to your area as well. Okay. HipLocal launched recently few neighbors in Dallas, and this is in US. They launched in one particular city in Texas, and is rapidly growing into global phenomena. Its unique style of hyper local community communication and business outreach in demand around the world. So you can think of, there is a need of one applications which will connect to the people and communities, and it's not a Facebook, because Facebook may turn into a global audience. Here you want to have communication to a specific kind of people, or connected to an organization, right? So um, think in that perspective as a close community. So they launched an application in Dallas area, but now they see that this can be used globally and multiple areas, and they want to expand. So the problem statement which they provided is, we are number one local community app, and it's time to take local community service to global. Our venture capital investors want to see a rapid growth and same great experience for new local and virtual communities that come online, whether they are members are up to 10 or 10,000 miles away from each other. So this is like connection, and they think that this can be utilized across the globe. Solution concept: HipLocal wants to expand their existing services, updated functionality, and in new region to better serve their global customers. They want to hire and train new team to support these regions in their time zones. They will need to ensure that the application scales smoothly and provide clear uptime. So whenever you are looking at the case studies, you need to identify those keywords using which you are going to solution it, right? Those are the pain areas, those are the requirement for you to start thinking around it. Existing technical solution: HipLocal environment is a mix of on-premise hardware infrastructure running in Google Cloud Platform. The HipLocal team understand the application well, but has limited expertise on global scale, how they can scale their application globally. Their existing technical environment is as follows: existing API runs on Compute Engine, machine instances hosted on GCP, state is stored in a single MySQL instance. So you can think of your customer state, right? The login. Data is exported on premises, Teradata Vertica data warehouse. Data analytics is performed on premise Hadoop environment. The application has no logging. There is a basic indicator of uptime. Alert are frequently fired when API is unresponsive. So this is, you can think of simple application. The front end is hosted in virtual machine. Database is MySQL database in GCP itself. So all those actually two application plus the backend is in the Google Cloud Platform. But when the data is executed, they want to store or they want to run analytics on top of it. They are taking data into on-premise Teradata and Vertica data warehouses, and that's where they are executing the Hadoop job to do analytics. Currently, there is not much logging, and there are basic uptime check alerts which are there. So it is a hybrid kind of implementation you can think of, but I think they have either taken as is implementation what they had it on premises into Google Cloud platform like Compute Engine and MySQL database. We are going to see how you can solution it better than what they have right now. A typical business requirement as we are getting into rethinking about the application for the cloud, they have these requirements which you need to consider. Expand availability of applications to the new region. So when they say new region, right, it could be the region inside the US, like currently they are in Dallas, and if they want to launch it in East Coast or West Coast or Central North, so it could be another region. Increase the number of concurrent users, so the scalability, ensure consistent experience for the users when they travel to different regions. Obtain activity matrices to better understand how to monetize their product. Ensure compliance with the regulations in the new region. It could be like any other state in US or any other country, just for the sake of compliance. If we talk about compliance and regulation, that gets changed country wise or even state wise. Reduce the infrastructure management time and cost. Adopt Google recommended practices for cloud computing, and we are going to see some thoughts around it when we solution it. Technical requirement: the application backend must provide usage matrices and monitoring. API requires strong authentication and authorization. Logging must be increased, and data should be stored in cloud analytics platform. Move to serverless architecture to facilitate elastic scaling. Provide authorized access to internal app to secure manner. And we are going to see this how you can solution this. We are going to talk something about how you can use API management proxy layer, but we are going to solution it in detail in the section when we get into detail of HipLocal as a case study. That's it, guys. As an overview, we are not going to solution it here right now, but we are going to keep this in your mind that when we are learning all those methodologies in cloud development, you need to consider all of these as a requirement, because this is what it may come to you as a requirement, and you have to develop the application accordingly.